Ice Spice
versus
Doja
Stop
Cat.
playing with him,
Hollywood Dismatch.
Like girl, your ass was flat. You got light bow and a fake ass to match. I'm natural, you fatter than pants. Stay on Twitter, cause I know all your fans. We didn't forget your racist vid chats. You a pop Nicki copycat. Weird as fuck, demonic ass tats. Weirder than Azella's chicken bone stash. Like girl, your ass was flat. You got light bow and a fake ass to match.
Didn't even notice this girl, you got me going up again, she's so boring, straight from the ghetto. You should be scared, your flow is man off. Who this Cabbage Patch wanna be as flop? Fresh out of Sally's beauty supply, half off. Instead of red hair, I think she better off got Ice Spice color, hot trash instead. Carrot top hair on China's head. You a word star, rap girl, damn. Look just like a clown. Madonna, you they mascot, looking straight up like a fly princess. You just a peasant. You got that great show sound. Yeah.
You thought I was scared of you, nah?
What?
Doja Cat is dumb. Got me rapping against her for fun. Shave her head looking like Will Smith. Sounds like, is you on mad drugs, boo? This chick is a bum. Got me rapping against her for fun. Shave her head looking like Will Smith. Sounds like, names Doja Cat, like, what does that mean? Both take a cat more like it to me. Always dressed like Summer Leanne. I cut your shows looking like your vision. Sing all your songs and you sound cringy. Can you pick one? Do you rap or sing? Started off talking about, bitch, I'm a cow. Guess it let anyone pop off. Wow.
Hit live specs. 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 Hit. You ain't nothing but a
Dog, raggedy and looking, sold out to the Kardashians. I don't understand